In this video, I will be showing how an admin can add custom form fields to the membership form. Whenever an organization takes our membership module, they will be using our default membership form. But if the organization feels that they need to add certain customization or certain customized fields to the form, they can do it too. For this, the admin needs to go to the memberships and then click on membership custom forms. Then the admin can see this page. Now, if we go down, the admin can go to the custom fields for individual membership and then drag a field from the right side to this area. For example, I'm dragging the checkbox group and make it required. The label is basically the display name of the checkbox group. So the admin can add label and then add options. The admin needs to copy paste the option to the other box as well. The admin can also add another option and more options as well. The admin can click on those and can see that this is a checkbox group. They can add text area if they want to collect comments or feedback. Click on close. To see the preview, the admin needs to click on the preview form button. This is our default membership form. Now, after clicking Save Fields, click on the Preview Form button. And the admin can see that the custom form fields are added in the Others information part. In this way, the admin can add custom form fields for the membership form.